KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Hey everybody, this is Dan from KeyDigital, and today we're going to be talking about the KDMS, which is the KeyDigital Management Software. The KeyDigital Management Software is new here for InfoComm 2018, and one of the great advantages is that the KDMS has been around for a little while. We've actually been using this same thought process and same solution inside all of our IP-enabled products under the KeyDigital app. And the KeyDigital app has been very successful, allowing you to control all your KeyDigital network devices right from an iOS product. And now here today at the show, what we launched with the next generation is the KeyDigital app now being allowed to operational from any Windows device. So now you could have a computer or administrator mode, and you can have front panel control of your KeyDigital item not only from an iOS product but also from a Windows product. So it could be a Surface tablet, could be any other PC in the building. And we want you guys to check it out. Check out the demo. It's really cool. You can see what it's like to control a multi-view, an enterprise AV system, AV over IP, video walls, presentation switchers, and more. So check it out at the App Store. And for more information, keydigital.com. Please like and share this video and leave some comments below. Thank you.